Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a cute bird design, like just a simple bird, like not like the face or details or anything, just a simple bird. But I used Mint Candy Apple Essie, and it's like a really light blue. I like it, it's cute. But I use that for the background because it's like a sky. It's supposed to be like a sky because it's a bird. But you just need that and a brush and some acrylic paint. And so you start with the head and then just kind of like a little tiny beak. My paint's drying out. But then the body. Hang on, I need new paint. And then draw little lines, make them like triangles. Like start with a line, go down, and then like it kind of turns into a triangle a little bit. And do the same thing over to the side. But that is one way to do a bird. There's like, I know how to do like 4 different ways, but there's like so many different ways that you can do them. But I just decided to go with this one because this one's like probably the easiest. So it's easy for people who don't really know how to do nail art. But it's really cute, like when you have like all of them filled with like the different designs, like this one, and there's like other ones. But there's another look at it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys try it out. Yeah, alright, I don't know, I'm like so bad with ending of videos. I'm just like, alright, bye. I don't know what to do, so bye.